Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for exploring innovative products that make life easier and safer. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about peace of mind and child safety. The WILNIRY Refrigerator Fridge Freezer Door Lock. Let's jump right in. If you're a parent or a caregiver, you know how important it is to ensure the safety of your little ones, especially around household appliances like refrigerators. The WILNIRY Refrigerator Lock with password protection is here to prevent accidents and keep curious kids safe. No more pinched fingers or unauthorized snacking. Installation worries? Not anymore. This refrigerator lock is a breeze to set up. No tools or drilling required. Just peel off the sticker, place it on the refrigerator's surface after cleaning and drying it, and you're good to go. The strong 3M adhesive ensures a secure hold without damaging the appliance's surface. Now, let's talk about the password feature. The initial password is 0000, and while it's recommended to keep it for simplicity, changing it is a straightforward process. Insert the gadget into the hole on the right, set your new password while holding down the tool, and voila, your personalized code is all set. But wait, there's more. This lock isn't limited to just refrigerators. It's a multitasking champ that can be used on cabinets, toilets, windows, drawers, closets, washing machines, and more. A single lock to keep your little explorers safe throughout your home. Now, let's talk about WILNIRY's track record. With over 3 million satisfied customers across Europe, Japan, Korea, and beyond, they've gained recognition for their quality and commitment to safety. And rest assured, if you encounter any issues, they're ready to provide excellent after-sales support. Remember, safety starts with prevention. WILNIRY's Refrigerator Fridge Freezer Door Lock is designed to be a guardian for your little angels. It's not just about locking danger away, it's about fostering a safe environment for your child to thrive. That's a wrap on the WILNIRY Refrigerator Fridge Freezer Door Lock, keeping your child safe and your peace of mind intact. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more valuable insights. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember, safety is paramount, and the WILNIRY Refrigerator Lock is here to keep your child out of harm's way. This is Product Critique, signing off.